How to fix MSI webcam not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix MSI webcam not working. So let's get started. So if you just bought an MSI device and you are trying to just open up your webcam and try to use your camera and it's simply doesn't work. Whenever you try to open up your camera, let's open up our camera. It gives you an error regarding your camera not working or it being disabled or stuck. So there is a reason behind it. MSI sometimes, whenever you buy a new laptop or whenever you rebooted or restarted a computer, your default setting for your camera is turned off. And if that's the case, you cannot use a camera. There is a very, very simple fix for it. All you have to do is use the function key and the F6 key. So all you have to do is press function plus F6 together. So press Fn key and F6 key together, and after that, your camera will get enabled. Doing that, your problem should get fixed as well. And that's all for today's video, guys. It's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.